Have you ever been left hanging by a girl you were really into? The frustration, the uncertainty, the endless thoughts running through your mind, it can drive anyone crazy. But here's the thing, just because she's ghosting you, doesn't mean you're powerless. Rule 1, play the ignore game. When a girl starts ignoring you, the first instinct might be to chase after her, but that's exactly what you shouldn't do. Instead, play the ignore game right back. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's incredibly effective. Give her a taste of her own medicine. If she leaves your texts hanging, don't chase her with more messages. If she changes the subject mid-conversation, let it slide without a second thought. And if she snubs you in public, just walk away. Show her you won't tolerate disrespect. Ignoring her can be a major ego crusher. Rule 2, out of sight, out of mind. When she starts acting distant, mentally check her off your list. Shift your focus from her drama to your own goals. Start hustling on your projects, find a new hobby, or spend quality time with your friends. When you channel your energy into bettering yourself, her ignoring you won't matter as much. Trust me, once you shift your mindset, she'll wonder why you're suddenly so unavailable. Rule 3, showcase your worth. When she dismisses you, it's easy to feel unsure of how to respond. But this is your chance to show her what she's missing out on. Display your intelligence, humor, and charm. If she brings up a topic you know well, dive in and share your thoughts. If she throws sarcasm your way, respond with wit that shows you're not easily shaken. Let her see that you're a guy worth paying attention to. Rule 4, cut the ties. If she's giving you the silent treatment, it's time to cut her off completely. No more reaching out, whether it's through texts, calls, or social media. Avoid her in person too if possible. This sends a clear message, you won't tolerate being ignored. Cutting her off shows you're not desperate for her attention, and that she can't just get away with playing games. Rule 5, prove her dead wrong. When she dismisses you, your best response is to prove her wrong. If she doubts your abilities, surprise her with your knowledge. If she thinks you're boring, show her the exciting sides of your life that she's missing out on. But if she continues to ignore you, don't take it personally. Stay focused on self-improvement and becoming the best version of yourself. Rule 6, get out and enjoy life. When she's ignoring you, don't sit around dwelling on it. Go out and have a blast. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's catching a movie, playing sports, or just hanging out with friends. Meet new people, explore new places, and remind yourself that life is too short to waste on someone who doesn't appreciate you. Rule 7, act like she's invisible. When she starts ignoring you, treat her like she doesn't exist. Don't initiate conversations, and avoid making eye contact. If you're at a party, strike up a conversation with someone else and keep your distance. If you must interact with her, keep it strictly professional and steer clear of personal topics. Remember, it's easier to move on than to fix something that's beyond your control. Rule 8, don't beg for attention. Never beg for her attention. Instead, make her feel like she's missing out on something great, because she is. Show her you're confident and secure, and that you don't need her validation. If she's ignoring your texts, don't bombard her with follow-ups. Just reply with a carefree vibe that shows you've got better things to do. Rule 9, stay emotionally detached. If she keeps ignoring you, stay emotionally detached. Don't take it personally, and definitely don't lash out. Be polite, wish her well, but don't expect anything more. Show her that you're not struggling or trying too hard, that's what low-value guys do. Stay calm, confident, and respect yourself enough to walk away if necessary. Conclusion. Remember, the key to handling a girl who's ignoring you is to stay calm, confident, and focused on your own life.